exploring the world's most colorful and vibrant destinations. Traveling is an exciting and enriching experience that allows us to explore new cultures, meet new people, and discover breathtaking landscapes. While every destination has its own unique charm, there are some places in the world that stand out for their vibrant colors, stunning natural beauty, and cultural richness. In this essay, we will take a journey through some of the world's most colorful and vibrant destinations, from the bustling streets of Marrakesh to the surreal landscapes of the Danakil Depression. The blue city of Chefchaouen. Chefchaouen is a picturesque town located in northern Morocco that is famous for its blue-painted buildings and charming streets. The town is nestled in the Rif Mountains and is surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills. The blue-painted buildings are a tribute to the town's Jewish heritage and are said to represent the color of the sky and the heavens. The Pink Lakes of Australia. The Pink Lakes are a series of salt lakes located in Western Australia that are known for their vibrant pink color. The lakes get their color from the presence of a type of algae that produces a red pigment in response to high salinity levels. The lakes are a popular destination for tourists and photographers who come to witness the surreal beauty of this natural phenomenon. The Rainbow Mountains of China. The Rainbow Mountains are a geological wonder located in the Zhangye Dangxia National Geological Park in China. The mountains are known for their striking colors, which range from deep reds and oranges to bright greens and blues. The colors are the result of millions of years of geological activity, including the deposition of mineral-rich sediments and the erosion of sandstone and other rock formations. Conclusion in conclusion, the world is full of colorful and vibrant destinations that offer a unique and enriching travel experience. From the bustling streets of Marrakesh to the surreal landscapes of the Danakil Depression, these destinations showcase the natural beauty, cultural richness, and artistic creativity of our world. Whether you are a nature lover, a history buff, or a culture enthusiast, there is something for everyone in these colorful and vibrant destinations. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore the world's most colorful and vibrant places.